Hi everyone. In this video, let us finish the last task or video of our mini project 2. So in this task, we have to create a video which says a skateboarder doing tricks dynamic style. So we are going to copy this prompt here. Let's go to Piclumen. I'm going to paste the prompt here. And now let's change it to 16 is to 9. Okay, change it to 16 is to 9. I'm going to select 3 here and I'm going to click on generate. Now it is going to generate 3 images for this particular prompt. See, if you see now, the images have been generated. I like this image very much. I like this image very much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download this image onto my computer. See, the image is downloaded. Now I'm going to Hailu AI. I'm going to upload the image that we have just downloaded. Once you upload that image, I'm going to paste the same prompt here. Okay, I'm going to paste the prompt here. Once you have the prompt here, all you need to do is click on 25 and it is going to generate a video. Okay, it says optimizing prompt in progress. So it is going to take a couple of minutes. So in this way, you can create videos using AI tools. So in the initial couple of days, maybe in the initial few weeks, you will take some time to learn these things. Once you are comfortable making videos with shorter prompts, then you can come up with very interesting prompts. You can come up with some nice ideas to make better scenes or videos. As a beginner, this is more than sufficient for you to understand these concepts. My advice to you is always before clicking generate, please make sure that there is no typo, there is no grammatical mistake, and you are absolutely sure about the prompt. Otherwise, AI will generate some incorrect videos. So this is the most important thing. Alright, if you see now, the video has been generated. I'm going to click on it. See, if you see here, a skateboarder doing some tricks in dynamic style. So the video is generated. Alright, we have come to the end of this mini project 2. I really hope that you have created these videos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a PDF to this particular lecture or section where you will find different types of ideas or different types of prompts. So you may not use the same prompts. If you I'll come up with new ideas so that you can use those new fresh prompts to create videos for this mini project. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.